Hi, my name is Martin from GHM Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to add a Google Map to a lesson. It's actually very simple and easy to do, so let's start right now. Okay, so here we are. We're in the main page of GHM Academy, which is the bookstore. So I'm going to pick one lesson to show you how you can add or remove a Google Map to a lesson. So I'm going to pick 9/11. As you can tell, it has already a map in 9/11 that you can use. You can go into the full screen of the map. You can click on it. So it actually is already present. So let's go and remove that. You basically press on the little wheel here and then on settings. And then from here, you basically remove the check mark enable map. And then that will remove it from the lesson. So there you go, it's gone. Now to add it back, it's very, very simple. You again press on the wheel and you go to settings, and then you basically do a check mark on enable map. And then from there, you save it again, and then the map will appear once again. Now the map only works with events or pages that you've created that have actual pins on the map. Now, how to add a pin on a map is very simple. So you basically would either edit a new page or edit a page that you already have. You go into the pin, you select the pin that you want. So I'm going to just change it so you can see what happens. I'm going to put in a biplane, and then I'm going to change the color to red. And then from here, I'm going to go to my coordinates, because let's say I would want to change where the plane flies. I basically press on the draw a line. And then from there, I draw my new line. And this will be the new path of the plane. If I save it, it would actually save this path. I will not, because I don't want to modify my my event, my page that I've created. So I'm just going to cancel that. But it's that simple and that easy. So there you go. Now you know how to add a Google Map and also a pin on a map. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.